Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your GTA code error 1005. So first, go ahead and go to your virus and threat protection. And then in here, just click on manage settings on your virus and threat settings, and then scroll down, and then you'll see add or remove an exclusion in here. So just go here and you need to add your Rockstar Games and your GTA 5 folder in here. So just click on your add exclusions and then click on folder, and then go ahead and find your Rockstar Games folder. So mine is in my program files. Just add this and select folder, and then you need to add your exec file for your GTA, your exec folder for your GTA 2. So if it's located in your Epic Games, just go to your Epic Games and add it. And then after that, you need to go to your Windows Defender firewall, and then allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, and then you need to add your Rockstar Games in here too. Mine is not. You need to click on change settings and then allow another app. So in here, just go to where your launcher is. Mine is in here, so just add this in here, then click add. Now once it's here, make sure that both all boxes are checked. So you need to check this too, then click OK. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps.